Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you all are fine at your home. Stay at home, be safe. In Bihar today lockdown is over, but college and schools are still closed. And welcome to my channel, that is Astha Kashyap channel. Let's start today's session on the demand of my students, my group member from WhatsApp. Today I am with you guys with the topic DI. Here are my some courses in my WhatsApp and my Telegram group. You guys can enroll paper 1 at only 500 rupees and paper 3 of electronic science, commerce and English literature of the cost 300 only, and my live classes also available. On the request or the demand of my group members on WhatsApp and Telegram, here I am with you guys with the topic DI, that is data interpretation. Data interpretation means some information to analyze some information and to calculate some information. The definition of DI means to calculate or to analyze any data or any information Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you all are fine at your home. Stay at home, be safe. Have a very good morning. In Bihar, lockdown is closed today. So let's start today's session. On the students' demand, I am going to make a video today on DI, that is data interpretation. So many students asked me in my WhatsApp group that ma'am, tell me how to solve the questions of DI, tell me some important tricks. So today I am going to tell you guys about data interpretation, that is, in short we can say that DI. Data interpretation, that is DI, makes from two words, data plus interpretation. Data interpretation makes from two words, data and interpretation. First solve the question. We should know, हम लोग को ये जानना चाहिए, we should know what is the meaning of data and what is the meaning of interpretation. Data means any kind of information that we collect from any source. So data means information. Data means information that we collect from any source. Data मतलब होता है information, कोई सूचना जो हम लोग किसी भी सोर्स या स्रोत से कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Related to any topic, any information related to any topic. Information कुछ भी हो सकता है, topic कुछ भी हो सकता है, but information should be correct. Otherwise then we find the solution. जब हम solution निकालेंगे, solution will not be correct, not be right. If data was wrong, data was given wrong, the solution was also find out wrong. अगर data गलत दिया होगा तो जो solution उसका निकालेंगे वो भी गलत निकलेगा. Also, data should be present in a systematic way or systematic manner. Data interpretation makes from two words, data plus information. Data means any kind of information related to any topic. Data कोई भी information हो सकता है, किसी भी topic से related हो सकता है, doesn't matter, but data should be appropriate and data should be correct. Appropriate होना चाहिए and correct होना चाहिए. Then data should be present in a systematic way or manner. Data तो जो हम प्रेजेंट करेंगे, दिखाएंगे टेबुलर फॉर्म में, बार ग्राफ में या पाई चार्ट में, जो भी हो फॉर्म, whatever the form is, but data should be present in a systematic way or systematic manner. Now come to the interpretation. What this word means? What is the meaning of interpretation? Interpretation means analysis or calculation. Interpretation का मतलब होता है to analyze or to calculate anything. Anything what? Data. Data is given in our question, question in pie chart or bar graph form or tabular form. Then the next step, first step to find the data. Data is given in the question. Second step to analyze, to calculate. So we should know how to analyze, how to calculate. In my next video, I will tell you guys some important tricks related to the analysis and the calculation of data interpretations question. So what is the meaning of interpretation? Interpretation means to analyze or to calculate. Analysis करना, calculate करना. Data interpretation makes from two words, that is data and interpretation. Data means any kind of information related to any topic. Data कोई भी information हो सकता है, किसी भी topic से related. Topic doesn't matter. Matter is that data should be appropriate, data should be correct. Data में कोई error mistake नहीं होना चाहिए. Otherwise जो हम उसका solution find out करेंगे, जो result निकालेंगे वो भी गलत होगा, perfect नहीं होगा, correct नहीं होगा, तो answer हमारा क्या होगा? गलत हो जाएगा. If data is given in a classroom, there is a 5 boy and 10 girls. 5 लड़के हैं और 10 लड़कियां हैं. तो उस पर फिर टेबल दे देगा कि बॉयज का एज, गर्ल्स का एज, फाइंड देयर एवरेज, वट एवर. क्वेश्चन कुछ भी होगा, बट 5 क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड फ्रॉम this topic, that is data interpretation. Every topic, every units have a equal values, equal marks. सबसे 5 क्वेश्चन आते हैं. 10 units, 5 questions, that is 50 questions, and each questions containing or having 2 marks. 2 marks होता है एक क्वेश्चन का, so 50 into 2, there is 100 marks. 50 questions, 100 marks, 10 unit. So ये हमको नहीं सोचना है कि हाँ ये यूनिट ज़्यादा पढ़ना है या ये कम पढ़ना है. एवरी यूनिट हैविंग इक्वल वैल्यू, तो सबको इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंस, इक्वल टाइम देना है. यस, डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन के क्वेश्चंस जो दिए होते हैं थोड़े लेंदी होते हैं, इसलिए इनको कोशिश करना है कि सबसे लास्ट में सॉल्व करें, ना कि इसी के 5 क्वेश्चन में अपना 15-20 मिनट वेस्ट कर दें. तो अगर हमारा 15-20 मिनट इसी में वेस्ट हो जाएगा तो हम लोग और क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे, आता हुआ क्वेश्चन भी हमारा छूट जाएगा. सो ये ध्यान देना है. स्मार्ट स्ट्रेटेजी यूज करना है. वी यूज स्मार्ट स्ट्रेटेजी इन एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, इन दिस एग्जाम ऑल्सो. सो try to solve this question, data interpretation question, in the last. Firstly solve passage or teaching or research aptitude, then in the last touch this topic